Type function. Type is a built-in function to know the type of a variable. For example, a equal to 10. Print type of a. Now see it showing int means integer. What is type conversion? The process of converting one data to another data is known as type conversion. For example, a equal to 10. Let's see its type. See it showing int a underscore str equal to str within parenthesis a. Now print a underscore str. Let's see its type now. The output is string. There are built-in type conversion functions. Int function converts to integer type. Float function converts to float type. Str function converts to string type. Bool function converts to boolean type. What is invalid type conversion? Invalid type conversion means converting invalid of one data to another data. For example, a equal to within double quotes 5, a underscore int equal to int within parenthesis a. Now print type of a underscore int. See the output. We get value error.